Hi everyone. Today we want to show you uh, what we have so far built in Retium Explorer, which is designed for public access. Basically, this is the entry point where the people are gonna come in and interact with the Retium on a daily basis, whether they need to do some search or see how the blockchain is performing, what the current state. Find the transactions, etc., etc., etc. So basically, this is the Retium Explorer with a few functions built right now, and I'm not sure whether we're going to keep it the same architecture as we have right now, but this is most of the time is going to be more or less completed. So as we already mentioned, so far we're still on a private testnet, and we're testing a few things. And as you can see here, probably we'll start with the main page, which is our the Retium Explorer itself. As you can see, this is version 3, and it's a live dashboard. So here you can see uh, basically what's the current tick of the blockchain right now, what blocks are being working right now. So you can see open blocks which are being validated right now as we speak. The hard finality blocks as well, which already been validated and become a Retium mesh itself. So, for example, if you wanted to research some particular block, you can just go to hard penalty blocks, which is already done, and explore every block if you need to, if you wanted to. So let's say we explore this block, and then here we'll see how this block was created, what the prime numbers was involved to build this block, how many total transactions it has, total gas paid for entire block, when was it done, time frame, routes, transactions itself, and you can explore every transactions as you go. So basically, you can copy or open a link, and it'll bring you to the scan page where the transaction is gonna be. So in a scan page, you can see basically explore every transaction. So transaction ID, block ID was place at what tick, nonce of the transactions, paid from to, how many was paid, the few things we need to fix, which is a timestamp and the hash ID. This is just old API, I presume, which are stuck in here. And here, once again, this is all current in progress data, which we will change and adjust as we go. So right now we don't pay much attention to it because it's really not major at this stage. But basically, this is how the rewards for this entire block was distributed, to whom and how many. So obviously, validators who was paid, etc., etc., etc. So also in Explorer, you have a wallet, inbuilt wallet, and you can see this is my this wallet. I'm working right now just to check things and to play around. So as you can see, I have obviously Retium tokens, which is my current balance, Pi token because I'm staking a few, and I'm staking also. I've got other token as well in here, which I already deployed as a parallel project. So you can see the current balance of it as well. So the wallet itself, what you can do with wallets, obviously you can, everything you do on a blockchain, you would need to sign with a wallet, every transactions and deployment, every purchase you do and things like it, but also you can stake and at stake. So, for example, you want to stake 1,000 RTM token, swap it to Pi, and it should appear in here. Yep, so here we go. You've got a text number, which you can copy, paste, and just check in the scan if you needed to. And here we go. So you have details of what was done, when it was done, etc., etc., etc. So as you know, because the transactions and the block finality is separate in the Retium blockchain, we see the text was immediately executed to hard finality state, but there is no block yet. So the block will appear when the block has been finality and completely sealed. So here we go. So basically, right now it's sitting in a Retium blockchain forever. So now you see this use validated the block, which has many transactions. So, and for example, you can take a block ID and explore it in among the blocks. There we go. So that's a block, hard finality, and it has 5 transactions in there. So this is all transactions happened in the block. So once again, coming back to wallet, once again, you can see a few things such as what and how you wanted to interact with it. So for example, we can send, let's say this is another test wallet, so we can send them, let's say we'll send them 23 Retium. And if you click send, it's obviously will process your transaction and give you another text, which you can check in a scan if you wanted to, and just to confirm that your transaction's been processed. Yeah, once again, because there is no block yet, it's the transaction's finality, but we're waiting for block to be settled. This usually takes a little bit of time. Not yet. Anyway, so yeah, 23 RTM was sent from wallet A to wallet B, and rewards distributions, who was paid and validated the block, etc., etc., etc. There we go. So we've got the block now being finality as well. And this just comes to one of the feature of Retium, because it's built different, and we already explained. We have many blocks available for transactions to be placed, and when transactions are coming in, so they literally are being distributed in and into the open blocks independently and instantly without sitting in a mempool. So that's where we're coming a little bit different. Once again, now if you want to check the other wallet, once again we can just can go to Scan Explorer, put the wallet and see it, and here we go. So we can see this wallet basically holding 23 RTMs, and there's a transaction which was sent to it. Once again, it's all in progress, so we're building as we go. User interface is not really major or mandatory right now at this stage, so it's being added and fixed as we need it to. So we're adding a few things, etc., etc., etc. And let's jump in here in a different browser and connect our wallet. So there is a wallet, it's not connected yet, so let me bring private key, connect, and now you see there's a different wallet. So also, because as I mentioned in here, in a wallet, I do hold a different contract. This is a smart contract that deployed earlier, so I still have quite a bit of tokens. So what I can do, I can choose test token, and let's say we wanted to pay it or send it to my friend. 250, and send. Transactions happened. So, and now we can go and check the other wallet and see if it's been received yet. There we go. So we can see it in here. So this is all happening real time. This is obviously just sitting on my PC and I'm tracking it, but blockchain is running on the internet through independent validators. So it's separate from my computer and PC. So it's a real time deal. All right. So what else we can do here? We have a simple form of smart contract deployment. So this is just for those who want to play or deploy simple tokens such as like a meme coin or whatever without any functions. So it's very easy to do unless you're an experienced developer who, and if you have a much more complex smart contracts, I mean, definitely you will need to interact with through the CDK and the web application, just deploy it on the Retium network. But otherwise, this is literally a meme token creator or simple token creator. So let's try to deploy some. So what we can do is, so you go to contract, let's call it meme1. Mem apply, we'll just call it whatever. It's just for demonstration purposes, really, decimals, etc. So you deploy. So it's asking you to check your details. Gas fee, because this is a contract rather than a wallet transfer, it's obviously will be costing you more to deploy a smart contract rather than just to do transfer. Once again, as we explained, refer to our weighted gas fees, which show how much you're paying it for. So yeah, it's you can see it's been finality, which just means your contract has been deployed. So how do you check? You just come back to your wallet and just refresh, and here we go. So now you have a test which we just sent to 150, and you have a new meme test smart contract and the wallet balance which you have. So once again, what you can do, you just can go on to the scan and check what your wallet was interacted with, and here we go. So you see that's a recent text. And that's your smart contract. Uh, so you can once again just play it in the scanning just to see what it is, how it is, what it holds, smart contract data, and etc. 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 So from here, what you can do, and obviously you just can go and try to make it to add the liquidity to the smart contract, or just to provide the options for everybody to interact and swap it in here. So the first thing you'd need to do is just to go to liquidity and check. So there is no liquidity pool yet, so you can create some. Once again, just let's see if we can do test. Okay. Once again, the few small bugs and the things like a soft finality just has been processed. But what I can do, just come back here and see. Yeah, see what's happened. So yeah, and this is what you can do. And obviously, once you deployed liquidity pool, then everybody can interact with your token just by simply buying it and selling it. So you come here with a different wallet and try to interact to purchase it. Okay, so what else we have? this is just to show latest transactions on the blockchain. So what's happening? We have a small just this bot running in here just to show how the transactions are interacted and what's happening with them. So finality, hard finality. So as we know, transactions on Retium comes through soft finality to hard finality stages, and this is how you see and check them in here. So this is a fresh one, so they don't have a block yet. But in a minute, if we wait a few seconds, it obviously will bring the block data in here as well once it's being finished. So here we go. So yeah, this is a basic Explorer we have right now running on testnet, and the reason we're making this video because we have a few people interesting, obviously asking what the stage the Retium is. Is it real? Is it ever can build, or is it still a theory? So answering your question, we're more than happy and certain to show you what we have so far. This is working blockchain, operational and running at current state right now as we speak. So this is actually happening right now. So it's live. It's going through the stages. And once again, being working on it right now, we obviously anything we changing or building, we have to sometimes stop it and redeploy it from a genesis so we can find and adjust either functions or if we're working with bugs and the codes additions, we obviously have to track it if it's working from a beginning to the current point, etc., etc., etc. So I guess right now at this stage, this is a small first ever public presentation just to show what we have so far and answer some questions for the people. And I guess maybe prove what we've built so far and how it works. So, but the idea is very simple, is very basic. So once again, one thing we can also do, let's goes another. There's a smart contract. Uh, let's say if I wanted to buy maybe $10 more or 10 more Retium for this token. Let's see if it's gonna give us. There we go. So once again, the point is you see it's a rejected transaction, and the point being I've done it deliberately just to show you that blockchain is actually running in real time. And the reason for rejected transaction is because earlier before, if you paid attention, when I did a liquidity pool injection, I wasn't really honest with you. And transactions didn't go through because if you notice in my wallet, I only had about 20 so RTM coins. And to deploy the smart contract plus the 100 RDM tokens which I wanted to put in liquidity wasn't enough. So the liquidity pool wasn't created, and now when we try to swap token to coin, we obviously had a rejection because validators simply checked my wallet. There is not enough balance and the rejection as such went through network itself. So I just wanted to be a little bit cheeky in here and kind of show you the different scenarios so you understand the blockchain is working and we have a full consensus in place where validators are actually checking every transactions in real time. So with that, thank you very much. I appreciate your time and I hope you enjoyed this small, simple presentation and definitely expect much more from us in the future. Thank you.